All right, welcome back everyone. Hope you're having a great week so far. This is a CX-50 Preferred. That way you get the power driver's seat with lumbar, power tailgate, dual heated rear view mirrors, but you also have the wireless Apple CarPlay application here, heated seats on a Preferred, the drive of a Mazda, but more rear seat legroom and cargo space than a CX-5. This CX-50 is the ticket. So you have the wide 90-degree angle opening on the second row door, ventilation, charging points, and your armrest with cup holders. Lots of additional space for extra cargo. This one specifically has the cargo mat. Sometimes I like to put jumper cables in there to help in case anybody needs it. This is coming with the cargo blocks to organize storage. And then you have a power point back here for extra tailgating accessories or camping accessories. Laying the seats down from the rear. And convenient door locking, just hit the dimple on the outside, or if you're going to unlock and get inside. You have a leather wrap steering wheel and shift knob, also access to radar cruise control, as well as your voice commands for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, volume, mute, and changing the next track. This info button right here would change the features displayed in your cluster here, and this would be digital speed, consumption values, or when you're using your radar cruise control. Through delivery it gets confusing. If you want your wireless Apple CarPlay to be active, you do have to change the settings in here. So hook it up to the wire for its initial setup, change the settings, and then you have access to wireless Apple CarPlay. And for the Mazda Connect system, don't forget about the favorites key. It'll help save some steps in accessing your favorite destinations, radio stations, or telephone numbers. And then speaking of options and settings in here in the Mazda Connect system, if you check occupant comfort in the settings, make sure to check these boxes so that way you can coordinate with the vehicle temperature or the inside temperature of the cabin, so that the heated seats will come on when you have a higher temperature set. Next thing to do is just push auto and it turns on your heated seat. If you do desire to still enjoy your CDs in your car, since it doesn't have a CD player, I recommend getting a USB stick or a thumb drive. You can pop into the USB port here and access the audio just like that. And you can also access video on here on the thumb drive through the USB, just as long as you pull up the e-brake. And then not to forget, the Mazda Connect system also comes with the software to be able to download the My Mazda app and have access to locking, unlocking, requesting service, roadside assistance, and of course the start-stop button for remote starting your vehicle. Now they say that the CX-50 offers more ground clearance than the CX-5, but if you take a look at this trim piece right here, CX-50, and CX-5. And the CX-50 we're in right now, the Preferred, runs about $33,700 including destination. There are financing programs available that are really good for the CX-50 this month. Now you do have automatic windshield wipers and automatic headlights, and this is in polymetal gray metallic. And the other great thing about this CX-50 is it's built right here in the States in Alabama. So thanks for watching, have a great day, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.